Hi friends, this is Pujita and welcome to my YouTube channel Jobs Adda by Pujita. Friends, if you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on bell icon for more latest job updates which are posted by me. And my suggestion friends, please watch the video entirely, don't skip the video in the middle. So today in my video I'm going to post about one of the best MNC company in India. That company name is Cognizant. So overview of the company, in video I'm going to share you about the what is the job vacancy available and the job description and the salary they will be providing and what and the eligible criteria. These all the details I am going to mention in this video. Stay tuned friends. So if you see on the screen, you can find the details about the company Cognizant Technology Solutions. So they are hiring for senior process executive data. So the work locations will be in either Chennai or Bangalore according to your preference. So they are hiring freshers as well as maximum 3 years up to 3 years of experienced persons they are hiring for. And if you come into this job description, again they have mentioned this senior executive process executive may be come up to team lead or team manager. So they are not hiring for BE, BTech and MCA, only graduate, any graduate people they are hiring for. And the here roles and responsibilities, if you can see, you can find all the details. Responsibility and policy owner services, and for data process, claims, PNC, and for voice process. So differently they have mentioned all the details over here. So exactly if we go in brief, we can get to know what are the job descriptions and job availabilities you can see. So for business or customer, so you have you should communicate in a very good manner and understand what exactly the clients or end users has to do that. Okay, and connect with the customer and provide highest level of satisfaction to the customer. Okay, and effectively communicate information on product, services or troubleshoot issues. Okay, and then next, connect with the contract owner and provide highest level of customer satisfaction and strive to understand and resolve queries at the first instant. Okay, and the new business process such as policy creation, documentation collection and review, seeking regulatory approvals. So many work things will be there while working with this any of the project. Okay, these if you can see here, many details are there like contract renewals, agent licensing, commission calculations, so many more. Okay, so next, coming to policy owner services. So you need to do change endorsements, cancellations, product conversions, coverage extension and call handling, disbursements, reserve management. So like this ACH handling, average call handling time will be there, wire transfers, reconciliations, response to queries via calls and email regarding any of indicative transactions listed above, like these things will be included. Okay, and claim management, claim registration you should maintain through calls and emails in the first notice of loss only. Okay, so workers compensation, death claims, everything you need to check over. And next, coming to statutory and legal reporting requirements, identifying and manage expectations. Okay, you need to do all this. And coming to project or any of the process, so for data process you need to process service legal agreements and metrics, productivity and quality targets within the established timelines. So you will be giving some timelines, so according to that you need to make it. And you should ensure process guidelines are followed and met while documented. Okay, and 100% process adherence to transaction processing timelines should be there, and process predefined number of transactions and meets internal process metrics related to transaction processing, involving money in, money out, everything. Okay, and you should add to shift handover process. Okay, and record data relating to product statistics and user relate notes. Okay, so this all comes to under the for data process. Okay, and coming to claims, you should resolve process related queries within the TAT. You should do it, and process related queries and expedite on the data requests and contribute and update knowledge. Okay, and process more than one item or having higher complexity related to client's process, and implement small process improvement projects. Okay, this all comes for claims you need to do. And coming to PNC, so you should check about capture. You should capture all the policies in the client system during your working hours during a business day. Okay, and record the output in the system provided by the Cognizant. Okay, and perform network rework on policies which were not processed first time. Okay, and for voice process, you should answer the calls from customer. So customer will be the end user who will be using your service. Okay, on agreed time frame. So according to the time, whenever you received a call or any mail, you should respond immediately, and transfer calls involving next level of service. So according to, if you cannot handle any of the call, you should transfer the call to your higher up or your superior. Okay, effectively resolve queries issues at first time. Maximum you need to try to resolve the issue in the first time itself. Okay, and perform root causes analysis on the errors made by the team members, and also participate on review calls with the process owners. Okay, and participate as a potential seed resources for staffing new engagement. And the next comes to, in the absence of PL and TL, performing the following tasks when assigned. So you need to handle escalation calls, manage service levels and day-to-day basis, and manage break schedules you need to manage, and communicate and manage transport delays. Okay, and for the people at team, you should be act as a buddy. You should train them. Whoever join, new persons join, you need to train them, and you should be very responsible for the process, implement ideas on productivity, financial accuracy and consistency. Okay, perform on root cause analysis on the errors made by the team members, potential seed resources for staffing new engagement, and conduct refresher training. And if you have any of the mandate trainings or assessments or certifications, you need to complete them. Okay, and you should complete your own individual goals. You need to complete them, and collab with the team performance, and record attendance and timesheet related data, complete all mandatory assessments. Okay, so you should have a good new business and underwriting support you need to have. It's purely a day job and no need to travel. It's a full-time job. So extra perks you can get while working with the Cognizant companies. So you'll be having a good cafeteria, health insurance will be provided, transport facilities there, team outings, soft skill training, job training. So many things you will be having while working with the Cognizant guys. So if you can see here, register to apply or login to apply. If you are a new person while using a Naukri.com, you can click on register to apply, or if you are already having an ID and password, you can click on login to apply. So for registration, I will show you how to register and apply. So if you once click on register to apply, you will be redirected to a new page. Like this, you will be showing like, if you are fresher, you can click on a fresher. If you are a professional, you can click on professional. So for example, I will be showing you the fresher details. So I have already clicked on the fresher tab, so I am redirected to a new page. So if you can see here, I am asking with to fill all the details like your full name, your email ID, your password. So password should be minimum 6 character letters. Okay, and your mobile number, and currently where you are living, your current city. Okay, and if you are living outside India, so you can click on outside India. Later you can upload your resume, or you can copy paste your resume here also. Okay, you can paste here, and next you can click on checkbox and you can click on register now. So once after registering now, so you can go back. So later after register now, you will be asking to fill all your education details also. Okay, so if you want to register now, you can go back to the same page. So you will be asking for a email ID and password. Okay, so you can enter your email ID and password whichever you want, you have given at the time of registration. You can enter both details and you can click on login, so that you can so if you can see on the screen, here is the option login to apply. So you can enter your ID and password, or can click on login. Otherwise you can use the option for use OTP to login also. Okay, if you do this, you will be redirected to a page to apply for this job. You can directly apply over there. So if your profile is shortlisted, the company will be calling you, try to reach you through mail or a call. Okay, so this is the better opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity, friends. So salary they will be giving totally based upon your previous experience. If you are a fresher, the salary you will be getting is 3 lakhs per annum. If you are experienced, you will be getting total previous experience based on your previous experience salary. All the best, friends. Thanks for watching my video.